Those who foment wars on account of ideological issues are wrong, and their time and opportunity wasters. Human history will move on whether they like it or not. Did the religious wars in Europe impose religious conformity in the world? You remember there were people who wanted to make sure that everybody is a Catholic, wanted to make sure, and they were using war, and what happened? They failed. They only justified wars are the just wars, like the anti-colonial wars. Wars of hegemony will fail and waste time and opportunity. Dialogue is the correct way. I thank you. And why would my brother keep quiet to hear that I'm landlocked? My brother from Kenya. Why does he accept that my brother is landlocked? I hear that Sere is locked in the room. Sere is room locked. And I continue with ordinary business. I should find out what's happening to Sere. He's my brother. He shouldn't be locked there. He should be free. No. Uganda is so nice. Even if you are a fool, you can survive here.
I heard it somewhere.
So Uganda wants to go to war now with Kenya. Please, can you people tell Grandfather Museveni that Kenya is Kenya? Oh? I understand that. Listen, I understand that Ruto has never been to any war. I understand that, but bro, we are talking about Kenya here. Oh. First of all, in Kenya, everybody in Kenya is a military officer.
The best recruit in sports. Service number 24.
Citizens of Kenya are military officers. I want to go and fight them. But I just want to say this. You see this nonsense that he's talking about. We have to get the Indian Ocean from Kenya. We deserve to have our own navy. All these things are just distractions. All these things are just... election is coming very soon. You grant the election.
But because you are touching here, you are touching there, you are touching too many things at the same time, you end up finishing work here and there. Doing things one at a time is the correct way.
It's coming very soon. He don't want elections to happen. He don't. And also they are trying to divert the people's attention from what is happening to Tanzania. This is what they are trying to do. I'm telling you people now that this is what they are trying to do. And we are not still going to allow it. All you people wants to get into the war, we will still shock about Abuana Sanaini Nini Moana Nini Mama Saliu.